change the Transaxle oil in this John Deere X475. And to start off, we're gonna take a 17mm socket and we're gonna take this drain plug out. All right, so we gotta drain it out here. All right, got all the oil drained out of here. And put the plug back in. Now we need to take the filter out. All right, so this might be kind of fun. The filter's way back in there, so we need to do this without making too big a mess. All right, we got the new one on. I ended up taking the tire off. It's a lot easier to get the filter on and off, so it's back on there. Now I just got to put oil in it. All right guys, there you got it. Now it's all ready to roll.